The charming Main Street in Cloud Croft, New Mexico is suddenly silent. Tourists gone, many businesses closed during this viral pandemic. In this series, we're learning more about how cooperatives like Otero County Electric are responding to the crisis while making sure vital electricity is something their members can count on.
Joining this video call is Mario Romero. He is General Manager and CEO of Otero County Electric. Mario, I want to ask you first about an issue that many leaders in organizations may be facing during these times. Can you tell us about managing the dynamics at play when there are strong differences of opinions among your employees about just how serious the coronavirus is?
Sure. So like everyone, the opinions vary from two extremes. We have people that feel like this is all a massive overreaction, and a whole other group of employees that feel like they're extremely concerned and really afraid for their personal health and really don't want to be exposed to the possibility of catching the virus.
So like a lot of cooperatives, you've then had to make those type of work changes for your staff in order to keep them safe. And I understand that you're at least trying to find the silver lining in all of these changes.
So I think one of the silver linings for us has been the use of technology. This Zoom meeting, for example, but also, back in January, coincidentally, we had switched over to Office 365 from Microsoft. We didn't even know we had Microsoft Teams as part of that package. And once this situation occurred, we've been able to use Microsoft Teams for video conferencing, for holding weekly staff meetings, for holding weekly employee meetings company-wide, even to having our first virtual board meeting, which was held this last Friday.
Important to find those silver linings for sure. So Mario, as you know very well, one of the cooperative principles is concern for community. Can you talk to us about how that has played a role in your response?
We've noticed a tremendous impact to our economy. We are in a mountainous area. Primary economic driver is tourism. So we have hotels and we have restaurants and retail shops and jewelry shops. They're closed right now. So the people that we see every day, those people are out of work. And so we are definitely noticing the economic impact here. What we've decided as a co-op is here in New Mexico, the state had issued a ban on disconnects for non-payment for residential accounts. And we decided to expand that to small businesses as well. These businesses are going to be struggling, and if we disconnect them and they lose power, that will likely be the final nail in the coffin for them. And it's in everyone's interest, theirs and ours, for them to be successful and to continue operating. So that's one thing that we've done. As far as the co-ops across the state, we have that network. And so one manager found a place to purchase bulk orders of hand sanitizer. And so we're going to basically be able to share most of that with local volunteer fire departments and senior centers and food banks and those type of things.
Definitely a nice thing to be able to share in these times. Mario Romero is CEO of Otero County Electric. Thanks for your time, Mario.
Thank you.